Hi friends, been a while since I have taken a shoot and down here in Goa after a long time of the pandemic of about 11 months coming down from Dubai. I just got news that one of my favorite sports person whom I have known since the age of 4 years, I guess, 2012, Kamakshi Dharwadkar from Porvorim, Goa, selected to represent India in the aerobics version. Under 12, the team is going to Korea. So I thought immediately like coming to a house and taking this opportunity because I always kept on telling her, you're going to grow big, you're going to grow big. Of course, she was selected before for Moscow also, a couple of years back. And I kept on telling her, I'm going to go big and I'm going to be the first one who's going to shoot you in my interview. We have Kamakshi here. Hi Kamakshi.
Hi.
Welcome on the board. You're selected for South Korea now. You're excited. It looks on the smile on your face, huh?
Yes.
And how long you have been doing gymnastics?
I've been doing gymnastics since I was 4.5 years old.
You have been doing gymnastics for a long time now, almost 7 years, right?
Yes.
You started at Krida Prabodhini, and I think that was you only 4.5 years old. Yeah. So let us know how you started, whom you went first, how you got into gymnastics, and who supported you.
First of all, my mother's badminton coach said that she wanted to enroll me into badminton. Her coach said that for badminton you should be very flexible. So he said that enroll her to gymnastics. So from that time I am into gymnastics.
Very good.
First I went into Vidya Prabodhini where my initial coach was Dibendu sir. Now I am training under Jyotirmaya Yoga and Gymnastic Academy where my coach is Dalgata.
Okay, great. So 6 years you have been doing the gymnastics, and कोंकणी उलयना मदीं उलयता चलता मगो? Okay. आणि कितल्या वर्सां तूं gymnastics शिकता? It's so difficult to have gymnastics from Goa. You can have a footballer from Goa. Currently you can have even cricketers coming from Goa. It's so difficult to come as a gymnast from Goa representing India. It must be a big pride feeling, no?
Yes.
You're one of the now superstars of Goan sports fraternity of women. As you grow big, slowly you will come to know how big you have become. So you're excited, right?
Yes.
So how you got this news of getting selected for this Korea? I will go up and down with my questions. Huh? How you got this news of going for this South Korea? Who told you? You had gone for some selections?
No selections.
Huh. Okay, so you have to tell me something, how you got this news and how you reached there, for this South Korea.
When I had gone for Nagpur Nationals, there Sunil Chetri sir from services saw my performance and he thought that I can go more higher to internationals. So he told me to record a video and upload it on the international sites. So I uploaded my videos and now it is gone for competitions.
Oh, so that's how you got selected. Amazing. So services play a big role also, supporting the Goan gymnasts coming up. Yeah, just from Goa would have been a little bit difficult to reach there. Anyway, great stuff. Okay, tell me, who takes you to all this gymnastics service? Your mom is always there, your father is always busy working, your mom is always there. Who takes you around actually?
Everybody in the house supports me a lot.
Okay.
My grandparents, my parents drop me to gymnastics. My grandfather takes me to gymnastics every day, and sometimes my mother and father also take half day.
And your brother, he doesn't help you out anything?
He helps me.
Very good. And so your family who always backs you up since your childhood, huh? Any sports, you have sports people in your background for the family, anybody in your family, your mother, your father who plays or runs or does something?
Yes, my mother is a marathon runner and badminton player.
Oh, okay.
My father was a cricketer. My brother is
Oh wow, great. That's nice. So and your grandparents also have been into the field of gymnastics. They like gymnastics from early age, looks like. Okay, you went from, because you went to badminton, you liked badminton, the coach told you to go for gymnastics. And then on you started getting stuck with gymnastics. Did you ever think that you want to come and try badminton again?
No.
You never. Huh? So you are one of the passionate sports person who got into the likings of the sport and you developed yourself. And when you started gymnastics, you liked it only for fun, no? You wanted to, your body reflex only for fun, no?
Yes.
So when you really realize that तुका केन्ना दिसलें की तूं आतां I have to make it big, I have to go for Goa, I have to go for India. केन्ना दिसलें तुका? Which particular event तुका याद जाता कितें?
Yes. At the age of 9 or 8 something, I went to my first national at Gwalior,
Wow.
Madhya Pradesh.
Wow.
It was artistic gymnastics, and that time I got 7 medals.
Oh wow.
That time I became matured, so that the thinking was like I have to do something for my country or my
Wow,
state.
wow. Oh, that's great. You have been focusing to represent Goa and India team at that particular age, 8. आता तुझे right age असा म्हाका दिसता. You are something 11 or 12, right? So, how long you think that you're going to continue? And what do you think what is your right age to hit the women's Indian team? And do you think you're going to do that soon?
Yes.
You're going to do that, yeah? And what is your age? And what I asked you was कितने रिस्क by 16 you should touch or by 15 you should touch the women's team?
By 14.
And when you're going to South Korea, what is your intention? This is between me and you. You're just going to there participate or really want to win medal and come?
I really want to win that medal.
And you think you'll win that?
Yes.
Okay, great. So when you were selected for Moscow, I think before a couple of years back, what was that gymnastic?
Sorry.
What was you were selected for what gymnastic and what age group?
I was selected at Goa only. The nationals was at Goa only. I won bronze medal there. So the top 3 medalists was selected for Team India
Okay.
at Moscow.
Okay.
I was in under 10.
Under 10 category, sub juniors.
Yes, sir.
हमारी किधर team गेली इतना रिश्ता because of funds or something like that at that particular time. One question which is hitting my mind: you are selected to represent India and you're going to Korea. It's a big thing. Again, I keep repeating it. I cannot believe it. The moment your mom called me and told me this has happened to you, I just wanted to be with you the next moment. I want to ask you one question: Is this your best achievement of your last 7 years or 8 years, or something more than this also you have achieved?
ना सर म्हाका हाज्यापेक्षा आनी खूप अचीव करूंक जाय. I want to be the first Indian woman to get a perfect 10.
Oh my God. Okay, that is your future ambition. I am asking you a question where I am asking you that till date, go backwards. Is this आता जे select is this the highest achievement, your top achievement?
Yes.
Yeah, पण आणि किती असं जे you achieved and this is also part of it.
Yeah, this is also part of it because this is also international.
So Moscow was your first biggest achievement. Okay, that was great. And in Canada, what to Korea?
I'm not going to Korea because due to lockdown, this is virtual competition.
Oh, it's a virtual. So the video we upload couldn't they must have sent.
Yes.
Okay, coming back. So how much you train in a day? In a day, how much time you spend? What is your diet? Do you have some particular thing? As your coaches told you, as your dietitian told you, how you work, how you develop coming, because you guys don't have, you're not in camping somewhere or you're not boarding somewhere where normally a gymnast. I remember even when we used to grow big, the gymnastic days we get boarding facility and they used to be with the coaches and they used to have camps and camps. तू कसे करतो तुझे म्हणजे घरातल्यान वयता आणि कसे मध्ये किती ऍक्सिडेंट झाला मध्ये आणि किती झाले. So how you take care of yourself, of your body and your food and all the habits?
My coach always said that you have to eat as much as possible. You have to eat home cooked food as much as possible. So I eat home cooked food. Once in a while I eat junk food, but he motivates me a lot. He also tells us to bring tiffins to classes so that we can eat our tiffins within half an hour after workout. He motivates me a lot. He's very disciplined, determined and dedicated to his profession.
Thank you very much. You gave me your time, and I cannot ask you lots of questions because I know you are in preparation for your all this gymnastics. I wish you good luck, and I hope to see you again rocking the women's team of India and your dream of 10 on 10. Thank you very much, Kamakshi. Tell some advice to youngsters in gymnastics. I cannot see you so youngster at 11, but tell somebody who is some 5 years, 6 years, 7 years how to go about sports, and if you like, how to go in the future.
I follow my 3 Ds to go to internationals and my nationals and all. My 3 Ds are discipline, determination and dedication. So I prefer youngsters, my youngsters, so that you follow this.
So you are trying to say that youngsters who are younger than you meant to say. 3 Ds also mine when you are same copycat. Thank you very much. I don't need to shake hands once again. Thank you very much, Kamakshi.
I'm very proud of my sister that she's representing the international for India. She has won many medals, as we can see in this frame.
आमची कामाक्षी एकदम स्टुडियस, खूप हार्ड वर्किंग, ते भयंकर त्रास घेता आनी सदांच बरें करता. वयर सरपाची खूप इच्छा आसा आनी ते वयर सरतले ही आमकां खात्री आसा. तुमचोय तांकां आशिर्वाद आसचो.
My daughter Kamakshi is very hardworking, disciplined and dedicated child. I always know and I always have imbibed that she will scale high because she is very focused girl. So being 11 years old and having that much of dedication is not very easy. But I sincerely feel that she will move higher looking at her determination. I wish her best wishes always.
I'm very proud of my daughter Kamakshi. She is very dedicated and disciplined. Second thing is like we were a bit worried during the last 6 months, like from March till today, because of this pandemic. She could not focus like earlier, like she used to go on the floor to do her gymnastic practices and all. Now it's all online, so we thought there will be some gap in her practices and training, but she really coped it well and she has excelled. And what good news we got like few days back about her being selected for the Korean Championship, that has really made us very happy and proud of her. Thank you.
कामाक्षी आमची आसा न्ही ती व्हेरी हार्ड वर्किंग, व्हेरी डेडिकेटेड आनी ताका एम्बिशन आसा की आपले बरें वयर सरचे आनी आपलें नांव बरें जावचें आनी आपलें बरें जी पळय नांवां येतात तशें भशेन आपूण जावन दाखोवचें, आपल्या आवय बापायचें नांव वयर काडचें हें ताका मनांतल्यान दिसता आनी तें बरें ताजे भशेनूच काम करता. तशेंच आपल्या केन्नाच त्या आपूण करचें ना, आपल्याच्यान जायना, आपूण नजो येता ते शब्द ताका केन्नाच येना. आनी तितलें जर ताका आमी सांगलें बाय आतां तें पुरो कर म्हणून ना, ताका आपल्या मनाचें सॅटिस्फाय जाले शिवाय तें काम करीत रावतलें आनी तशें तातूंतल्यान तें वयर सरतलें ताजें व्हडलें इच्छा आसा आनी ती इच्छा तेजी पूर्ण जावं न्ही ही आमची बी देवा कडेन प्रार्थना आसा.